So, you're looking at Trigger.dev and wondering, is this backend workflow tool actually worth it? Let's break it down. Trigger.dev is an open source platform for building background jobs and workflows in TypeScript. Think of it as a way to run tasks that take a long time without hitting annoying timeouts. You write code just like you normally would, but Trigger handles all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. Here's what makes it interesting. First, no timeouts. Unlike AWS Lambda or Versal, your tasks run for as long as they need. Processing videos, training AI models, generating reports, no problem. Second, it includes automatic retries and queues. So if something fails, it'll try again without you lifting a finger. The developer experience is really solid. You write tasks in your codebase using JavaScript or TypeScript. There's built-in monitoring so you can see exactly what's happening with each run. You'll get real-time logs, tracing, and alerts. Plus, it works with popular frameworks without needing complex setup. Pricing starts with a free plan that gives you $5 of usage per month. That's decent for side projects or testing things out. The hobby plan is $10 a month, and the pro plan is $50. You only pay for what you use beyond those limits, which keeps costs predictable as you scale. Now, let's talk downsides. Right now, it only supports JavaScript and TypeScript. If your team uses Python or other languages, you're out of luck. The version 3 migration also tripped up some users, and the learning curve can be steep if you're new to background job systems. Who should use it? If you're building AI apps, handling long-running processes, or tired of serverless timeouts, Trigger.dev is worth checking out. It's great for developers who want to stay in code instead of dragging boxes around in some UI tool. Bottom line, Trigger.dev is a powerful tool for the right use case. It won't replace every workflow tool out there, but if you need a reliable long-running background jobs in TypeScript, it delivers. Start with a free plan and see if it fits your workflow. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.